How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development, back again today talking about what is L-Carnitine. Let's get into this one. So L-Carnitine is a compound that is found in all cells of the body. It is made inside the body from two amino acids, lysine and methionine. So L-carnitine was originally discovered in 1905 as an important part of muscle cells and has since been found to be in all plant and animal kingdoms. So it's found across both plants and animal cells, which is really cool. So L-carnitine has a molecular structure that is similar to choline, which is really cool. L-carnitine is actually intimately involved in the mitochondrial oxidation of long-chain fatty acids and has been shown to have various benefits, such as an increase in androgen receptor density, making it good for building muscle and recovering from hard workouts, as well as increases in sperm quality, decreases in ammonia, increases in insulin sensitivity, and increases in cognition, among many other benefits that are associated with supplementing with extra L-carnitine. So where can you find this specific ingredient? So L-carnitine is found very densely in meat, but supplementation has been known to be the most effective whenever you're looking for adjunct benefits, whenever you're looking for extra benefits. When supplementing with L-carnitine, you want to ensure that you're getting around 500 to 2,000 milligrams on a daily basis. So you don't have to split up those doses. Most people actually like to take those before their workout because they find that it actually gives them a little bit more energy. And there has been some studies that show that it can aid in fat loss and muscle gain subtly. It's not extremely noticeable, but it can be a good supplement. You know, that's what it's called. But Umzu also has a very good single ingredient product that is just L-carnitine. So if you want to check that out, make sure to hit the link in the description, umzu.com, and go check out all the supplements that we have over there. But that's all I got for this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you learned something, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with all kinds of videos, throwing out all kinds of information. So if you want to stay up to date with that and see what I'm coming out with, please hit the subscribe button. If you already know all of these things and you just want to see if I'm putting out wrong information and you want to try and correct me, then please stay tuned and subscribe. But yeah, and then if you want to see any kind of other videos, please comment down below. I'm really interested in what y'all would like to see. That's the only reason I'm doing this, is to inform you guys. So tell me what you want to hear about, and I'll put some stuff together and see if I can make a video over it. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.